SwimSafer Practical, Stage 5, Silver. Are you ready? Welcome to your Stage 5 adventure. Swim assessment. Put on your swimwear and get ready your goggles. After each swim, climb out and walk back to the start point. Step 1. Do a crouching dive into the water. Step 2. Swim 50 meters front crawl within 1 minute and 30 seconds. Step 3. Do a crouching dive into the water. Step 4. Swim 50 meters breaststroke within 1 minute and 50 seconds. Step 5. Swim 50 meters backstroke within 1 minute and 40 seconds. Step 6. Swim 25 meters survival sidestroke. Step 7. Swim 25 meters survival backstroke. Step 8. Swim 10 meters on your front using Dolphin kick. Silver sequence. Put on your swimwear, long pants, and t-shirt. No goggles is allowed. Step 1. Enter the water using straddle jump. Step 2. Tuck your body and do backward somersault. Step 3. Perform a feet-first surface dive into the water. Step 4. Underwater swim through to hoop. Step 5. Swim 45 meters front crawl to the end wall and turn around to continue your swim to the middle. Step 6. Signal distress and wave for help. Step 7. Rescuer to throw PFD. Step 8. Swim towards the PFD and put the PFD on. Step 9. Float and demonstrate heat escape lessening posture for 30 seconds. Step 10. Swim 25 meters using survival stroke. Step 11. Exit the pool safely. That's the end. You are ready for your silver adventure.